Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to look at how to design a simple curl effect or paper turn effect in Photoshop. Like this on your screen, we have this unveiling fragrance. I designed this poster and I was asked to be doing this for them to know that they're about to release a fragrance, and then that is what I was able to do for them. That's very nice. They also have this one that was a tutorial. We are going to be doing this too for us to see how it goes. Before, let's move on to Photoshop and start our tutorial. First of all, we have to make sure that our files are ready, and then we drop them into Photoshop. I'm going to open this particular file here and then head straight to my designs that I've already made. So I'm going straight to 2025 designs and then come to 2025 designs. I have a lot of designs here that I'm going to use, that of the fragrance that I showed you during the intro. Here is it. I'll hit on open, and then boom, I have my design here. So I have to make sure that this layer here is not unlocked. It stays like how it is, and come straight to this particular place here and then add the solid color. The solid color I'm going to add is white. So when this box appears, you select the favorite color that you prefer to use. I'm going for white and hit OK. Then come straight to my rectangle 2 and select rectangle 2 and then draw a small rectangle here at the edge of my solid color, and then change this color to the same white and hit on V. I'm going to combine this and this, so I'll hit on Control on my keyboard or Command on my keyboard and then select this. Make sure that I still hold on Control and Command and hit on G. Now this is grouped, but if it's grouped, that won't be very comfortable. We can't work on this unless we convert to a smart object. So I'll right click here and come to convert to smart object. Now this layer now is turned toward a smart object. Now I'll hit on Control T or Command T on my keyboard and then right click and come straight to warp. Then come to the edge of this and bring it upwards a bit. You see now the effect is taking effect as well. This is not done yet. You see, we don't have any difference, so we have to come straight to this particular object and come to the FX, drop shadow, and then add a little bit of shadow to make it real. This shadow is too much, so we have to make it look real by playing around with the speed, the spread, the distance, and then the size. I think is a little bit okay. So this is the first one that I was able to do with that. Then the text comes here, which is unveiling fragrance. You come to your text tool, you type the text right here. We have unveiling fragrance text, and the color will change. I'll select this color and then boom, I'm done. Very nice unveiling fragrance. So you can be using this in your next designs. The next one too, we have this. You come straight to open and select this from my desktop. I have this parrot. Where are the parrots? Yes, this parrots. I'm also going to use this to design the curl effect or turn paper effect. I'll drop in my other elements by coming to File, Place Embedded, and then this image right here. This, I'll make sure it fits on the screen. Very beautiful. I love nature. Then mark it. Come to my rectangle T and pick the rectangle to draw a small rectangle. Make sure that the stroke effect is off. So I'll come to this particular place here and off my stroke effect. But the color will be changed to this color right here. You can choose any color that you prefer, but I'm going for this. And hit on OK. I'm going to group this and this by doing what we did in our first episode or first tutorial by hitting Command or Control on our keyboard and selecting two of these and then grouping them. After grouping them, we right click and convert to smart objects. And after converting to smart objects, we know that this rectangle T here and this picture here, they are now joined together. So we hit on Control T or Command T on our keyboard and then right click and select warp, and then here is where the effect comes. And make sure that we stretch it up a bit to fit the design. That is very beautiful. Great. After that, we come to our displays FX and hit on drop shadow so that we add a little bit of the shadow to that and make it very beautiful. And like what we are saying, you can be playing around till you get the best that you prefer. Okay, then you hit on OK, and that is it for this. And then this. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and then we have a lot of tutorials because my subscribers are not enough. I can't be doing the best that I'm supposed to do, and that is a little bit discouraging, but I know that you guys won't ignore these tutorials. You're going to like and then help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. We're going to meet another time. Bye bye.